Hey Glam and Glow family! Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the best natural beauty secrets that help you shine from the inside out. Today, we're focusing on something that can instantly boost your confidence, a brighter, whiter smile. And the best part, we're doing it naturally with an incredible ingredient you probably already have in your kitchen: turmeric. Turmeric, the golden spice celebrated in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries, isn't just a culinary superstar, it's also your ticket to a dazzling smile. Loaded with anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties, turmeric is an amazing natural remedy for teeth whitening. It effectively lifts surface stains, fights plaque buildup, and supports gum health, all while being gentle and safe to use. To create your own turmeric teeth whitening paste, simply mix 1 teaspoon of high-quality turmeric powder with a few drops of coconut oil. This powerhouse combination not only helps in whitening but also nourishes your gums and fights bacteria. Apply the paste to your toothbrush and brush your teeth gently for about 2 minutes, ensuring the turmeric reaches all areas of your teeth. After brushing, rinse thoroughly with water to wash away the yellow tint. Then follow up with your regular toothpaste to leave your mouth feeling fresh and clean. Incorporate this natural remedy into your oral care routine 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll begin to see a noticeable difference in just a few weeks. Your teeth will appear whiter, and your gums will feel healthier thanks to turmeric's soothing properties. Consistency is key here, so stick with it, and soon you'll be flaunting a radiant, confident smile all without the use of harsh chemicals. And there you have it, an easy, natural way to brighten your smile using the power of turmeric. Remember, beauty isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. By embracing natural remedies like this one, you're taking a holistic approach to your beauty routine that benefits your health as well. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a little smile boost. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join the Glam and Glow family for more natural beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, keep glowing and smiling naturally.